When I was told I was going to be reviewing an F15, I was expecting a plane, that beloved fighter jet I would see in movies as a kid. But instead, I got a laptop, and let me say that this is a laptop befitting of the F15 moniker. Super powerful, really slick, and over-spec'd for the gaming audience that is going to be using this. So let's just take a quick look at it. Great, crisp 15-inch screen, really elegant, fast-working backlit keyboard, obviously with the relevant keys for gameplay specified, and all of the kinds of ports and accessories that you'd want, including HDMI, USB 3, 3 of those, the new USB-C-A, the new USB-C, and of course, Ethernet, which is great for jacking straight into a LAN party. And of course, this overall appearance, the style, the slickness, the responsive keyboard, and enough ports on the back, sides, and underneath to dispel all of the heat that this monster machine will generate. The ASUS TUF Dash F15 is a fitting recipient of the F15 moniker.
Thanks for watching. Hit the like button below and please subscribe to our channel so that you can get this stuff while it's fresh. See you soon.